Okay, this is Sunday, middle of July 2016. Just changed the spark plug on the green Honda Grizzly, Yamaha Grizzly 2015. Only has about 20 hours of riding time and 100 miles on it, but it's been sitting up a lot. And vehicle, the ATV was not turning over very well. It wasn't staying running. It would die out whenever we put it in. We just let it idle and park. And I put some sea foam in the tank a couple days ago and rode it hard up and down the road for about a half an hour or so, and still having problems with it staying on. So I have just finished changing the spark plug with the help of a friend, and this is the first attempt to turn the ATV over after changing the spark plug. So fresh spark plug, old spark plug is inside. It was kind of dirty, so let's see if this turns over real quick. You can see only got 129 miles and 20.7 hours on this machine, so it is not even really broken in hardly at all. Alright, let's see if it turns over. Wow, it seems to turn over very easily. It does not seem to be choking out. I have not given it any gas. It is idling. Just from that one time of turning it over, it does seem like there's a big difference with the fresh spark plug here. I'm going to shut it off, and I'm going to turn it back on. That does seem to be significantly better than what was going on. So it appears that the spark plug was a big problem. Try it again. Turn on the machine. Boy, it is cranking up easily. If it wasn't raining right now at my house, I'd take it down the road and run it some. I plan on doing that probably some tomorrow. But it appears that the spark plug change has helped significantly. I'm going to let it run for a minute, and I'm going to show you where the spark plug was found. Underneath here, behind here. Here is the wire right here. This is on the right side underneath the ignition. Spark plug wires right here. Spark plug is kind of hard to get to. It's kind of a bitch to get it out of there. But spark plug is right there. You have a spark plug tool under your seat. There's a spark plug tool, and use that to get the spark plug out. Had to go to O'Reilly Auto Parts today. Neither AutoZone, O'Reilly Auto Parts, or Advanced Auto Parts had the spark plug that I needed in stock, but at O'Reilly Auto Parts they were able to order from another store, and they delivered it later on in the afternoon. I went back and picked it up. So very encouraging right now that the machine started up easily. We'll try it one more time. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Let's see what happens. Boom, cranks right up. Very encouraging. So if your Yamaha Grizzly 550 is having problems, change the spark plug. Sounds pretty simple, but just change the spark plug out. That may do the trick. Alright, thanks.